Introducing Kaon Demo360 Plus, the AI-driven interactive demonstration transforming how CROs and CMOs empower their sales teams, engage buyers, and close deals faster. This groundbreaking solution blends 3D, AI, AR, and VR to deliver personalized, value-based interactive product demonstrations that transform customer engagement and resonate with buyers at every touchpoint. Kaon Demo360 Plus seamlessly integrates into your sales strategy, aligning with marketing to drive consistent global messaging. It doesn't just explain what your product does, it educates buyers why your solution will solve their business challenges. With self-guided and sales-guided options, Kaon Demo360 Plus equips your teams with compelling, personalized value stories that accelerate sales cycles. Kaon Demo360 Plus, where AI transforms your product stories into personalized, value-driven customer experiences.